Okay, this is one of the 3 strategies that we went over in class to use subtraction for any sized numbers, and it's called subtracting in parts. So if I have 1,439 and I need to take 628 away from it, and I want to use subtracting in parts. Remember, I'm going to start with my smaller number and I'm going to break it up into parts. You can do it by place value or you can do it with whatever makes sense to you as long as you subtract the entire number. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to take my I am going to take my 1439, my 1,439, and I'm going to take away the biggest part I can, which I know is 600. That's what the 6 is. So I'm going to take away 600. Okay. Now if I take away 6 from 14, so 1,400 minus 600 gives me an 8. And then I know that 39 minus 0 gives me 39. Okay. So then I'm going to bring my 839, that's my new answer, and I'm going to subtract 20. Remember the 2 represents 20. So I'm going to take 20 away from that. So I know that my 8 just carries over because I'm not subtracting any 100. Okay. And then I'm going to take 30 away from 29. So I can look at this as 3 minus 2, which gives me 1, and then 9 minus 0, which gives me 9. All right, so now I have 819, and I still have this 8 that I need to take away. I'm going to take my 819, and I'm going to take away 8. So if I look at this, 819 minus 8, so 19 minus 8 is 11. And of course I still have my 800. So the answer to this question is 811 because I took away my 6, my 20, I took away my 600, I took away my 20, and I took away my 8. All right, so that's subtracting in parts. You just take your smaller number and you break it up. You can do it by place value or you can do it whatever makes sense to you as long as it is the entire second number that you're subtracting or smaller number. Okay, there will be 2 more videos for you to watch if you want to do a different strategy other than subtracting in parts.